Hi, in this video, we will know about the registrar's icon in the mutual fund tab of the StockEdge app. Millions of people across India invest in mutual funds today. In fact, the mutual fund industry is still in its infancy in India, and the growth potential for this industry is very high. With more investors investing in mutual funds every day, it is becoming increasingly difficult for asset management companies to track and record the transactions made by every individual. As a result, the mutual fund companies hire trusted institutions known as registrars to maintain and keep a record of the transactions made by any investor. Investors may carry out multiple transactions such as buying, redeeming funds, or changing funds. The records of such transactions are stored by expert agencies who are the registrars. Registrars are also known as transfer agents. When you click on the registrar's icon under the mutual fund category, a new page opens. This page will contain a list of all the registrars operating in India. For example, Computer Age Management Services or CAMS. Clicking on any registrar will open a new page where you can view a list of all asset management companies with its number of schemes registered under the selected registrar. The list is sorted in descending order of the number of schemes per AMC. Clicking on any AMC will take you to a detailed page of that AMC where you can view details about the various schemes offered by the AMC and other important information. A second tab you can select under the Registrar's menu is the Overview tab. Here, you can view basic information about the registrar such as its SEBI registration number, office address, and contact details. So, if you are interested in knowing details about the registrar recording your mutual fund transactions, you can do so on the StockEdge app. Thank you for watching.